After completion of the pre-flight procedure, we move on to the before start procedure. The before start procedure occurs in two phases. We have the phase prior to the completion of the load and trim sheet and the final setup of the AFDS MCP, and then the final preparation of the aircraft to start engines. Before the load and trim sheet arrives, we have the items departure briefing, fuel quantity checking, flight and maintenance log completion, and the ATC clearance that can be done in any sequence on an opportunity basis. After papers are on board, flight deck door closed and locked by CM2. Verify that the lock fail light is extinguished. CDU display, CM1 and 2. Normally PF selects the takeoff reference page. Normally PM selects the legs page. Exterior doors, verify closed. Flight deck windows closed and locked. Verify that the window not closed decal does not show. Verify that the orange indicator does not show. Cabin secure signal received. Verify that the cabin ready memo message shows on the ICAS. Ground communications established. CM1. Verify that all gear alignment pins are removed.
Low ground from cockpit.
Cockpit, this is ground. Go ahead.
Confirm gear down pin removed.
Confirm all gear down pins are removed. Start pushback clearance receive on CM1's request.
Request pushback clearance.
Roger. Traffic ground, EVA trainer 1, Charlie 3, request pushback and start.
EVA trainer 1. You're cleared to pushback and start. Runway 05 right.
Clear to pushback and start, runway 05 right, EVA trainer 1.
Beacon light switch on. CM2. Hydraulic panel set. CM2. Obtain a clearance to pressurize the hydraulic systems.
Ground ready to pressurize hydraulics.
Clear to pressurize hydraulics, Captain.
Pressurize hydraulics.
Note, pressurize the right system first to prevent fluid transfer between the systems. Right electric demand pump selector auto, verify the fault light is extinguished. Center 1, Center 2 electrical primary pump switches on. Verify the Center 1 fault light is extinguished. Center 2 fault light may stay illuminated until after engine start because of load shedding. Left electric demand pump selector auto, verify that the fault light is extinguished. Center 1 and Center 2 air demand pump selectors auto, verify that the fault lights are extinguished. Fuel panel set by CM2. Left and right fuel pump switches on. Verify that pressure lights are extinguished. For selection of center pump switches, there are variations between aircraft types. Cancel, recall switch, push, CM2. Cancel, recall switch, push again. Verify that only expected alert messages show, and verify that the messages cancel after the second push. Trim set. Stabilizer trim to be set according to the load trim sheet. Verify that the trim is in the green band. Aileron trim 0 units, rudder trim 0 units. The before start checklist may be done during the pushback. Pushback procedure. Entered start procedure may be done during pushback. Ground handling personnel establish communications. CM1.
Hello ground, we are clear for pushback and start up runway 05 right.
Roger Captain, please release parking brake. Caution, do not hold or turn nose wheel tiller during pushback. This can damage the nose gear or the tow bar. Caution, do not use airplane brakes to stop the airplane during pushback. This can damage the nose gear or the tow bar. Transponder to transponder, XPMDR position. Parking brake as required, in this case off. Commencing pushback, Captain. You're cleared to start engines during the pushback.
Clear to side, yes.
When the pushback is complete, tow bar, verify not connected.
Before start checklist.
Before start checklist. Flight deck door.
Closed and locked.
Seatbelts on. MCP.
V2155. Heading 053. Altitude 5000.
Takeoff speeds.
V1149er. VR151. V2155.
CDU pre-flight.
Completed.
Trim.
5.5 units. 00 set.
Taxi and takeoff briefing completed. Beacon on. ATC transponder. Before start check is complete.
Start right engine. Start left engine. Copy from ground.
Contact from ground. Please set pushback complete. Please set parking brake.
Parking brake set. We have two good engine start. You are clear to disconnect. See SM on the right hand side. Bye-bye.
Roger, Captain. See you clear on the right pins. Bye bye. APU selector off. Engine anti-ice selectors as needed. Cool flaps
Flaps
as
fine.
needed for takeoff.
That's fine.
Flap selector, flap lever, set takeoff flaps. Flight controls check. Make slow and deliberate inputs one direction at a time. To avoid nuisance flight controls faults, a complete cycle of the control wheel during the flight control check should be done slowly, more than approximately 6 seconds, and not combined with the check of the pitch controls. CM2 moves the control wheel and the control column to full travel in all directions and verify freedom of movement, that the controls return to center. Visually verify that the ground, crew and equipment are cleared before the rudder check. CM1 Hold the nose wheel tiller during the rudder check to prevent nose wheel movement. Move the rudder pedals to full travel in both directions and verify freedom of movement and rudder pedals return to center. If the transponder has not already been set to transponder, set transponder to the transponder position. If there was no pushback, the ATC transponder should be set to transponder immediately prior to taxi. Recall, check. Both pilots. EFB airport map application select. Both pilots. Or alternatively, the airport chart may be selected. Caution, do not use the airport map application as a primary navigation reference. The airport map application is designed to aid flight crew positional awareness effort. Call before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. APU off. Engine and tires. Auto. Recall. Checked. Auto brakes. RTO. Flight controls. Checked. Ground equipment.
Clear.
Clear. Before taxi checklist complete.
Ground crew signal received by both pilots. View the OK signal and steering bypass pin if used. CM1 signals the ground crew.
Inside right side clear.
Taxi clearance received.
Request taxi.
Roger.
EVA Trainer 1 request taxi.
EVA Trainer 1, roger. Clear to holding point, runway 0 right. Turn left on Whiskey Charlie. Turn right on Sierra Papa.
Whiskey Charlie Sierra Papa to holding point runway 05 right. EVA Trainer 1.
You have control.
I have control.
Taxi area clear, parking brake released. Away we go. Right. From now until the completion of the flight, when the aircraft is parked on the stand, the procedures are demarked pilot flying and pilot monitoring.